Hey guys, so today I'm actually gonna be
Your insinuating voice is way too high.
I'm actually gonna go on like a date kinda. So I'm gonna be before I get in the shower, I'm actually gonna be practicing either if the Morphe Beauty Blender works better or if the original Beauty Blender works better. So I'm gonna do this side with this and this side with this. And this cut is actually for my cat, so we'll see if it even covers it, you know?
Not even gonna touch that.
The Amy Santiago story. Santiago, got one for you. 1051.
Oh, the price difference is kind of crazy. This one is like $6. This one is $20. But from the texture, this one feels like rubbery. Like it doesn't like, probably hard to tell, but the texture feels more rubbery, and this one actually feels like foam. So I'm gonna be going into the La Mer Soft Fluid Foundation. I'll put it on the back of my hand. I'll do one pump, and yep. And then I'm gonna go in with my finger, and then tap it around.
Shoot sound. Is this a trigger?
Yes, but you want to be careful.
Thought it would be louder.
It's highly directional. If we're pointed at you, you'd be in incredible pain right now.
Why is this happening? I contain my thoughts.
Enough, Diaz.
Oh my god. Pretty cool.
The cool thing about having facial hair is that I personally don't think you need that much. Like you might not need a full pump, but it like depends how much you use. And I still have a little bit left over.
Oh, pants are up. I'm coming in. Captain, think you might have a little bit of a problem here, boo.
I have this under control. You should leave. This is the men's room.
This is no longer a men's room.
Okay.
It is now.
I've used this before. I like it, but we'll see with this
I am
one.
captain of this precinct, and you are my assistant. I have given you a direct order to leave. I do not have a problem. If I want to play Crazy Cupcakes, I will play Crazy Cupcakes. Crazy is a difficult word to say in anger, but I think I've made my feelings clear.
Nice. Have you noticed they moved the trigger? Real exciting finger feel. Finger feel? Really?
God, I feel like I'm hitting myself.
Nice. Two to the chest. Textbook shooting.
Yeah, and his overalls fell down. I can't believe you would kill a farmer, the backbone of our nation's economy. May I? When it comes to shooting patterns, I like to go PB&J. Penis brain job. Nice shooting, man, but do you think the penis is an effective target? Interesting fact, a man can run half a mile with no genitals. That's a weird thing to know a lot about.
Hey, okay, so I know you're pissed at Boyle.
I told you, shooting him with that sonic cannon was an accident.
It's not just that.
Whoops. Sorry. That gun. Sorry. This right.
So this side actually made my skin look very good. Let's see.
Accidents. Look, I get it.
Well, it looks kind of like dewy a little bit.
Well, she said something. We're supposed to be friends. We're finally getting along.
And then I'm gonna go in with this one.
Nope. I'm gonna wait till I'm on my deathbed, get in the last words, and die immediately.
That's your plan for dealing with this?
That's my plan for dealing with everything. I have 77 arguments and I'll win that way.
Seems like a bad plan.
Now I have 78.
Rex Buckingham, at your service. That was majestic. Custom knee pads to help me win coolest kill. What, don't tell me old Buckingham is the only chap here with a signature move. No. I'm working on a thing where, when I'm out of ammo, I release my mag and drop kick it straight into someone's throat. Oh! My buttholes!
Okay, I know you have 2 bullet wounds in your butt, but you've got to stop calling them your buttholes.
You know how people hold their guns sideways to look cool? You got me thinking. What if you held your gun upside down? You can use that.
That will never happen, my American friend.
Hey, Tuesday, heads up. Hey, how'd it go?
It went well. We had a perfect run. And not to brag, but I think we just set an NYPD course record for time. Definitely a brand.
A course record? That is so cool.
Thanks, I'm psyched. Hey, good luck in there. All right.
Let's.
All right, huddle up. This is how it's going down.
What happened to your accent, Rex?
Forget that crap. We're taking this seriously. All right, on three. Let's break that course record and be the best precinct here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's break that course record and be the best precinct here. Yeah, I agree. It was too many words. Let's do it.
Okay, I've got the details for this simulation. A group of armed men entered the embassy and have taken hostages.
Which embassy?
It kind of looks.
Fine, Canada then. So take out the perps, clear the civilians, rescue the hostages.
Affirmative. This is an active shooter situation. You're cleared for maximum engagement.
I don't know. I feel like I can't really see anything.
Diaz and Boyle, perimeter security.
Me and Boyle.
Yeah, just the two. Peralta and Santiago, you're the assault team. I'll be in the command center. Scully, I want you to do nothing. Just stand next to me and say, yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Come on, man.
All right, focus up. You
Mm,
got 18 minutes, 41 seconds to break this record. No screwing around.
I'm going to
What about Rex booking
powder my under eyes and see which one does better.
And I am playing a character.
Sometimes when
No
I'm,
nonsense detective.
I'll like put concealer under, or sometimes I'll just set the foundation itself. And then, so I'm gonna go with the beauty blender on this side.
Captain. Captain. Captain.
Sorry. I'm just about to enter Sprinkle City. They break the game into these idiotic worlds to give you some false sense of progress.
So, we'll stop playing.
But I'm just about to enter Sprinkle City. Shit, I got a problem. This game is starting to affect my work. Numbers 3 and 4 split places. Cupcake match. I don't understand why I can't stop. I've never had a problem controlling myself. Do you know I love milk?
No.
Well, I do, but it hurts my stomach. So I haven't had milk, a beverage I love, for 19 years. 19 milkless years I've gone.
Okay, now I'm gonna do this side.
I can't quit crazy cupcakes.
I know what to do. Hitchcock, you ever play Quasi Cupcakes?
I love that game. I just got up to Sprinkle City.
Oh my gosh, interesting. What level are you on, Captain Holmes?
Sprinkle City.
We have so much in common.
Look at that, I'm here.
Oh my god, that makes your under eyes look so good.
Turn around. Clear.
Mm,
Clear.
Clear. Okay.
I don't know. I kind of want to say that this side looks a little bit better. Because when I look in the mirror, I don't know, when you ever like powder or anything, there's like little cracks in my skin that kind of look like it's like sinking in.
I can't believe I didn't go with the sister stabbing. Emotionally, that is much richer.
I personally think that there's always like a good thing and a bad thing to everything, and the beauty blender is softer. I feel like
I thought it was smells like fresh paint here. Reminds me how often I moved as a child.
it might soak up a little bit more foundation than you're used to, and then this one, it kind of hurts to put on. It's like so since this is lighter, I don't know if you can see, look,
Okay, girls. I'm pissed.
it'll just like softly curve into like all the like the curves of your face, while this one kind of just like, it's just like harder. Like you're gonna
I'm sorry.
like stab it into your skin.
It might be weird to invite you because I used to be
But this one is probably good for like
consumed by my passion love for you.
powdering your nose right here, and then like setting your. Well, I guess this is kind of good for setting your under eye too. I go like that.
My pleasure.
Wow, why didn't I do that? I could have went like that. Wow, let me try that. I don't know. Well, like the more powder you add, the more
Hostages are in there.
the like the weirder it looks. Not the weirder, the cakier it looks. Let me try to add another powder and we'll see what happens. I'm gonna use this flat side though.
Give up.
Let's see.
Trust me. Or don't. I'm doing it anyway. NYPD, don't shoot. I'm here to surrender. Let the hostages go and take me instead. Not happening. Drop the weapon. All right. My fingers are off the triggers. I'm just gonna slowly put them down in front of me. Slowly put it up. Terry, time!
18 minutes, 28 seconds. You broke the record.
Yes.
Well done.
All in a day's work, elderly lady. All in a day's work.
Ah, there he is.
The record is ours.
So amazing, Jake.
Check it out. I got us prizes.
Dang, my skin looks really good actually.
I can't believe your final kill came with Scully's move.
You went upside down?
Yeah, so
That's what I call
I don't know. I'm gonna have to keep trying this out, but I really seem to like this Morphe one, especially for the price that it comes at.
I want to speak of
Um,
it. Really dumb.
Man, I feel so
But I really
bad.
wanted this one because this was like the original, you know, like it's what caused everyone to start using sponges and
All right,
stuff.
let's go. Drinks are on me.
You just gotta be careful though, because like when you use it, it does absorb product, so it absorbs a little bit more coverage. But I kind of like it because it makes it look like more like airbrushed and stuff.
Yeah, of course.
And it makes your, when you like set your under eye with a sponge, it makes it look way better, less crusty, you know. So those are my final thoughts on it. Hopefully that this has informed you of
Okay. Thanks. Excited to go.
a little bit more about sponges. I didn't really know a lot about it coming in, but now I actually really enjoy them. I kind of just bought it because everyone else was using it, and I actually really like them. So yeah, this is pretty good for sharpening your nose, kind of with,
And a new course record.
and this one is kind of better for like blending your whole.
Congratulations to you, Captain, on beating your Quasi Cupcake.
But yeah, that really depends on your foundation too. Like I said, I use this one. I think it's like,
You helped me today.
I don't know. Honestly, I feel like if you put a little bit, it can go like
Thank you.
what is it, like light, and then if you add more, it's obviously medium. But I'm pretty sure you can layer until it's like full coverage. I probably will only like light to medium because my skin is like, I'm already good with my skin of how it looks. So I'll just put on like highlighter and like eyeshadow, and maybe I still want to do my brows. I need to get them fixed, but yeah, we'll see. We should see if it actually covers up this cut before I wash it off. So I'm gonna do a little bit more on the back of my hand,
You wanna know why she went out with him and not you?
and then I'll try to do this one because I haven't used it as much. And then kind of,
What's up? Now I'm here to celebrate with the team. Look, I'm not really good at this stuff, but thank you for inviting me to your wedding. I'm really happy I could come, and I promise it won't be weird at all.
Yeah, I'm really happy you could come too, because I didn't think it was going to happen.
What do you mean?
Well, Chuck told me you were going to be out of town that weekend, and then, he just told me that your plans changed, so that's great news. That'd be weird.
It'd be weird because I'm weird. I'm leaving.
cool. And then I'm gonna powder it a little bit.
Check it out.
No way, you won coolest kill?
Not even close. It turns out anyone can just buy themselves a children's karate trophy.
Smart.
Yeah. Hey, before you go, I wanted to ask you something.
Of course.
I was just wondering, are you wearing lipstick?
Yeah, I'm going out with Teddy again.
Cool. Yeah, I really like this combination. So the combination that I use is Laura Mercier powder with a soft fluid foundation and then a beauty blender. Boom.
It's not important.
Oh, I should try to bronze my face a little bit. I usually like to do that depending on how much time I have left because usually I'm always running to work.
Wait.
So, let me try that out.
I'll help you with your work stuff, Casey.
My favorite
Perfect. Film you along.
bronzer
Not a doctor.
is probably this one. This is the M527. This is like the flat paddle brush. Super good for, I feel like you can either blend out your contour depending on how sharp you want it. Oh my god. Or you can just bronze your whole face with it.
All right,
Works
gang.
really well.
Day 4. How's everyone holding up?
Honestly, I'm going to last.
I can't find my bronzer though.
You hear that, bitches? I'm gonna last forever.
Oh,
I'm doing great. This morning, the homeless guy on
Mm.
my street said my skin looked dope.
What's going on? Why do you all have matching bags?
Oh.
We're doing a diet together. My wife found it. We learned about it at Mommy and Me Graphic Design. Wait, it might have been Tyler Ferrari. She takes our little ladies to so many classes.
I'll do the lighter one on this side and the darker one on this side. I want to see how it looks on camera.
All the meals are pre-planned and delivered to your doorstep. This is our breakfast.
An orange wedge, 3 cashew nuts, and a solitary grape.
It's actually more
I like to
than
like
you realize.
swirl on the back of my
Sometimes I
arm.
can't even finish all the grape.
Well, this seems unnecessary to me. You're all in perfect shape. And you can always be healthier, sir.
And I like the challenge.
Plus, it's good team building. We're gonna get through this together. Hey guys, pro tip: lick the baggie. There's food molecules in there.
Oh, that's so smart.
I don't really think it did anything. Pack it on here and then pull it all the way down. I don't know. I love how it smells like coconuts. So that first shade I went into was bronzer shade, and then this one
Yes, Stalker.
is the deep
But
bronzer
I'm
shade.
here to meet Charles. Did you hear what you did last night? Drink it, Jake. Drink it. What's up your tiny sleeve? Why is there a bow tie in here? Wait a minute.
Jake Peralta, will you be my best man?
Yes. Yes, 1,000 times yes.
Wow, best man. So you're gonna set up shop in a strip club?
What kind of shop would I set up? Hand sanitizer. I would sell hand
Let me
sanitizer.
just
And no.
do a little
I
bit
was
on
hoping
the
that my best
top.
man duties would be all whiskey and cigars, but this is Charles we're talking about. So we've got 2 straight days of wedding planning. Plus he gave me this to prep. Fancy Brodgam. It means fancy groom in Danish. According to Charles, the Danes throw the most beautiful weddings in the world.
I feel like it's very important to pack it in to the hairline.
This does not look like something you'd be into.
Normally, yes, but I am now Charles's fur little
And then
best man.
whatever I have extra, I'll put
So it is
here,
my duty
and then I'll put
to
here.
support him, no matter what weird, crazy, Charlesy ideas he has.
Let's do this.
There he is, my groom. Hello, my big beautiful BM. Best man, just best man is fine.
But then you can also use this to
Okay, I'm
as an
totally
eyeshadow
prepared. I even
brush.
bought some nurse shoes.
Mm-hmm.
Grab this.
I'm gonna go into the
Let me grab this.
Morphe E22 brush, and I'm gonna go.
Cake tasting.
I'm gonna swirl it in there,
See me, sir?
tap it off, and just kind of go into my eye.
Patrol officer's morning briefing.
Officer Deepmore helped me out with my crime scene, so I gave him a little thank you present. Hey, Deepmore! If you're gonna bag evidence like a 5-year-old, you should have the proper tools. It's in my first police kit. The walkie-talkie blows bubbles. Hope you can handle it. He mislabeled the weapon like an idiot, and it almost got filed with the wrong case. He could have won months of work.
You humiliated Officer Deedmore in front of his peers. He submitted an official complaint against you.
Did you fill it out in crayon?
No, but he did use a green pen, which seems crazy to me. The good news is
You gotta be careful though, because if you use this specific bronzer, it kind of starts to separate throughout the day. So
Very sweet person.
you gotta watch out with that. And it has like a really nice healthy sheen to it, so it makes a really good bronzer. But
Especially sexually.
Well, I don't want to pry.
but
I want you to know this.
No.
Brittany and I have a wonderful intercourse itinerary that we have planned.
Oh, I'm usually more of a chocolate guy, but this one's closer, so I'm gonna do that. Oh, okay. Spicy cake wine.
That's habanero pepper frosting because our marriage is going to sizzle. Unless you think it's a bad idea.
it's a very soft look. It's a soft look that makes your pores kind of look vanished. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later.
What you got?
Yeah.
First, June Kelly.